Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode looks on the Xiaomi 13T. So the Pro Mode you can find on the More modes, and it will appear on the left on the documents. So first, when you click on the information icon, you will find great description of every parameter. That's a very good point. And right now, if you want to adjust these parameters, you've got the ultra wide lens, and the telephoto lens. And if you want to adjust the parameters, so first we've got the white balance. Next we can find the automatic focus range. Right here we've got the shutter delay. That's also this ISO level and the exposure compensation. And that's how we can adjust these parameters. And also when you click right here, you can find the flashlight that you can turn on or off. In this place you can simply find a lot of other options that you can also use, like for example the shutter delay, the grid lines. You can turn on the voice shutter, the histogram will appear right here, and right here you've got the Leica filters. So that's how the Pro Mode looks. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.